What does unity look like at Miller Waldrop? Does my job matter? Am I making a difference? Do customers benefit from what I do? Well, maybe this video can help you see a bigger picture. We gotta go where it all starts. So, let's take a closer look. Let's go where the action is.
It all starts with me and a team of people going to markets to find the products that we're going to carry. The biggest market that we go to is the High Point International Home Furnishings Market in North Carolina.
And we don't play around. Okay, maybe a little. Becky has creative ideas, and she has a wonderful team that helps her.
Becky gives me the orders for market, I enter everything into profit, and then I track it.
I then put all of the new items into our lineup spreadsheet and make sure we keep best sellers in stock.
I arrange for the receiving of freight and all distribution center activities.
When it gets here, I receive it, post it, and pay for it.
Operations, you don't want to know.
We do the heavy lifting.
What do you do here?
Make customers satisfied.
Locate it and scan it.
We are all about the logistics.
I deliver customer happiness.
I help tag the floor.
I keep the warehouse straight.
I organize all the accessories for all the locations to make sure it goes to the right locations.
Pack, prep, and price all the accessories for Hobbs.
I MTO all of the items to the showroom floors in between warehouses.
And I announce it to the world!
We place it and hang it.
We make our showroom outstanding.
I make our sales floor gorgeous.
I train, inspire, and support all sales managers.
I'm a product knowledge teacher.
I support the sales team.
I'm a team builder.
When customers walk through the door, I set them at ease.
I keep customers protected.
I help customers sleep better. You wanna say hi?
My product knowledge is growing and so are my customers.
I love helping customers find the right piece.
Custom orders are my thing.
I keep my customers smiling. I put my whole heart into helping the customer.
My customers understand the details.
I love getting to work with my customers and creating their unique style with special orders.
I make our customers feel at home.
I love a good house call.
I help customers create their dream homes.
I schedule all deliveries and pickups.
We deliver comfort.
I support our delivery and warehouse teams for a better customer service.
We are furniture placement engineers.
I finalize all daily work, deliveries, and pickups.
I update catalogs and price lists, and I send out thank you letters.
I make customers happy. Again.
Customers are always happy when I'm done.
Wowing the customer, it's my goal.
I specialize in customer happiness.
Brock Waldrop, Special Projects Manager, Hobbs, New Mexico.
I make sure everyone gets paid.
Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Ah, it's that one from Miller Waldrop! Oh my gosh! Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kent Waldrop, president of Middle Waldrop Furniture, and I approve of these messages.